Maria Godfrey again from the Wondracek Realty Group. Let's talk about buying a house. Buying a house should not be stressful, should not cause anxiety. It should be a fun and enjoyable adventure. Okay, so the first step to buying a house is selecting a realtor. I would be honored to represent you. But having a realtor is building relationships, feeling comfortable with that realtor. That's the first step in buying a house. Okay, the second step of buying a house, now that you've chosen me as your realtor, hopefully, I would love to present you to other lenders in the area. It is a lot more easier to deal with a local lender in Greenville than it is to get a lender on the internet. You need to have someone there present with you at all times through the closing so that if you have any questions, they're always there to answer your lending questions. Okay, now you have a pre-approval. Now's the time we should be looking at houses. We'll select some houses that you may see on Zillow or my website. Remember, we refresh every 15 minutes. So look on my website, pick out some houses. I'll add a couple of them. Let's schedule some time. As we go and look at houses, please remember, earnest money will be needed once we find that perfect house and put an offer on it. Okay, now that we have an offer in on the table and it's been negotiated, congratulations, now you're in contract. We will follow up with the 15 days of home inspections. We will now order the appraisal. Everything will be taken care of from my office. Okay, appraisal's clear, wonderful. Let's start packing because now we're going to the closing table. But not to worry, the lender, myself, the attorney, again, you'll be building these relationships to make sure that there's no surprises at the closing table. So we will connect with you, we will hold your hand through the process, we will be there at the closing table when you sign for your first house.